Hello everyone, you are welcome. How to solve and find the value of this interesting division exponential math problem, which is 40 raised to power 80 divided by 80 raised to power 40. So here I will try to solve this problem using two different methods. In the first method I will try to make the powers same, and in the second method I will try to make the bases same in the numerator and denominator. So how can we solve this problem using the first method? So here in the first method I will try to make this power and this power the same. So here I will try to make 40 in the power in both the numerator and denominator. So for that we can write the numerator of this equation as, this is 40 raised to power 80, but we can write this 80 as 40 plus 40 divided by 80 raised to power 40. In the numerator of this equation, this number, we will use an exponential identity. So here in this numerator we will use this one exponential identity, a raised to power m plus n, which can also be written as a raised to power m times a raised to power n. Now using this exponential identity here, we can write this numerator as, numerator will become 40 raised to power 40 times 40 raised to power 40 divided by denominator will be the same, 80 raised to power 40. Next we can also write this number as 40 raised to power 40 divided by 80 raised to power 40 times this one number, 40 raised to power 40. Now my dears, look to the number in the left hand side, this one number. Here both the number in numerator and denominator has the same power. So here we will use the same power exponential identity. So we will use this one identity here in this one number. A raised to power n divided by b raised to power n, which can also be written as a by b whole raised to power n. Now using this exponential identity, we can write this number as, this will become 40 divided by 80 whole raised to power 40 times 40 raised to power 40. And we will simplify these two numbers. 40 times 1 is 40, 40 times 2 is 80. So this will become 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole raised to power 40 times 40 raised to power 40. Now my dears, look into both the numbers. Both the number has the same power. So here we will use the same power exponential identity. So we will use this one identity here, a times b whole raised to power n, which can also be written as a raised to power n times b raised to power n. So here these two numbers are in this one form. So we will change these two numbers from this form to this one form. So this number will become, is equal to, this will become 1 by 2 times 40 whole raised to power 40. Now again we will simplify these two numbers. Here 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 20 is 40. So this will become 1 times 20. Now what is 1 times 20? This is simply 20 and the power is 40. So 20 raised to power 40 is our final answer and value of the above exponential math problem. Now here we will try to solve this problem using the second method, the second approach. So in the second approach we will write this problem here. Now the problem is 40 raised to power 80 divided by 80 raised to power 40. So here in this one step, in this one method, we will try to make the bases same. So for that we will factorize this one base. So this number in the numerator will be the same. So this will become 40 raised to power 80 divided by we can write this 80 as 2 times 40, which is 80 whole raised to power 40. Now again here in the denominator we will use the exponential identity. So here we will use this one identity, and this will become, the numerator will be the same, 40 raised to power 80 divided by, and we can write this denominator will as 2 raised to power 40 times 40 raised to power 40. Now next we can write this number as 40 raised to power 80 divided by 40 raised to power 40 times 1 by this number 2 raised to power 40. Now look at to both the numbers in the numerator and denominator. Both the number has the same base. So here we will use the same base exponential identity. So we will use this one identity here. A raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, which can also be written as a raised to power m minus n. Now using this exponential identity we will write 40 one time and we will subtract their powers. So this will become equal to, this will become 40 raised to power 80 minus 40 times 1 by 2 raised to power 40. So let's further simplify this equation. So this will become 40 raised to power 40 minus 40 is simply 40 times 1 by 2 raised to power 40. We can also write this equation as 40 raised to power 40 divided by 2 raised to power 40. Now my just look to this equation, this number here again the power in the numerator and denominator is the same. So here we will use the same power division identity. So here we will use this one identity having same power. So we will change that number from this one form to this form. So this will become is equal to, this will become, we will divide the basis 40 divided by 2 whole raised to power 40. Now 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 20 is 40. So this will become 20 divided by 1 is simply 20. So 20 raised to power 40. So finally 20 raised to power 40 is our answer using the second method. Now in last, if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for such a more interesting and step-by-step math videos. Thanks for watching.